Welcome to By TV channel. Today's video is to teach you how to make applique embroidery on a hoodie. Before embroidery, we need to prepare some accessories and tools. Allen wrench, scissors, tape measure, hand drills, backing paper, applique fabric, hoop master station, mighty hoop, hoodie. This time we will be demonstrating the creation of a leather applique. In the center of a hoodie with a height of 12.5 cm and a width of 20 cm. This is a design that I test embroidered ahead of time. The distance between the embroidery and the neckline is about 7.5 cm. You can adjust the distance according to your embroidery design and clothing style. We will need to mark it like this before embroidering. Let's start by cutting the backing paper to match the size of the mighty hoop. Try to cut it as large as possible to make the embroidery more stable. Then mount the bottom hoop to the hoop master station. Place the backing paper on top of it, making sure that the backing paper completely covers the hoop area. Next, place the hoodie. Pull it flat and straighten it. Then install the top embroidery hoop, making sure that the notched end is facing to the right. If we are using the embroidery hoop coming with the machine, usually we use T-Max 340 x 340 mm when embroidering hoodies. The operation is the same as before. First, cut the backing paper to match the embroidery hoop. Then install the bottom embroidery hoop and put the backing paper onto it. Pull the hoodie flat and neat. Then install the top hoop with care. Notice that the notch should be facing to the right. And place the top hoop horizontally to prevent the embroidery position from tilting. Let's turn on the machine and select the corresponding embroidery frame. The selected embroidery frame is already set in advance. If we are not sure about the operation, you can go to our channel and search how to set embroidery frame parameters to watch a detailed tutorial. Then determine where the handrail will be mounted based on the size of embroidery hoop. Here we mounted them on the outermost holes on both sides and tightened the screws. Next, install the hoop and hoodie. Be careful to leave the collar of the garment open and embed it in the bobbin bed to prevent damage to the garment. Now we are going to click on Import Embroidery Patterns. Select the pattern you want to import. If the message Design No is used appears when selecting a pattern, we need to go back to the main interface. Click EMB, and then confirm the exit. Then enter the Pattern Management interface again and select the pattern. After choosing the pattern, we need to determine the color of the embroidery. There is a list of colors in the software that you can download and follow. When choosing the color, pay attention to actual embroidery's red color. Next up is the description of applique function in Vision V22. We need to add applique feature when we select colors. For example, if we need to applique after embroidering the first color, we can add an applique feature to the second color. When the first color is finished, the machine will move the frame and stop. At this point, we can install the fabric for the applique. Then press the Start button, and the machine will continue embroidering. In addition, we need to add another applique feature to the third color to cut the extra fabric, and so on. If you want the machine to stop automatically before it reaches a certain color, all you need to do is select that color and click on the Applique button. Once you have set the colors, click on Trace to determine the position of the embroidery. Then watch where the needle 1 is moving, which will be our embroidery position. If the No Needle prompt appears, turn the color change motor handrail slightly and watch the needle position on the screen. Then click on Normal Trace again. Thank you for watching this episode. Hope this video would be helpful. We look forward to bringing more interesting creations and sharing. See you next time.